and action. Hi to all the wonderful people of LVMS and those watching who don't go to LVMS. Hey, I'm so glad that you are here. All right, I'm going to take these virtual. If you've had me in class, you know that something that I hold near and dear to my heart is my Monday messages or my Wednesday words of wisdom. So we're going to take it. 2020 is making us do everything online. So I'm going to be posting these videos hopefully once a week and sharing some things with you that I feel are hopefully some of the most important things that you take away from my classroom this year. Again, my goal is ultimately to make all of you better students in science, but I care about you guys so much more than that. And I want you to leave my classroom just being better people, being people who are going to go out and make a difference in the world, because I know you can, right? So I want to equip you with hopefully again this wisdom, okay, and maybe some lessons and things that I've learned in my life and these quotes to help you to help others, okay, and even yourself. So my topic this week, okay, got it. When we're starting with something, it's probably got to be the most important, right? Your introduction should always be something strong. So focusing on the good is my topic today. And wow, it is so easy, right, in everyday life just to get flustered or to just focus on the bad, right? Because there is so much bad, again, around us if you look for it, right? But we have to try and look past that and try and find the good things in life. So I have a lot of different quotes here that you can take a look at. But I have a few highlighted that I want to share with you. But I want to show you this little note card first. All right, so here I have this beautiful white note card. And what do you notice about it? The thing that you probably notice is that blemish, right? That little line there, right? Our eyes are drawn towards that. But here's the thing. You know what? This card has so much potential, but look, we look for the one little negative blemish, right? And even if I put maybe a little rip, all right, maybe if I put a little rip in there, I don't know if you can see that. Maybe if I can actually line it up. Okay. We probably focus on these two aspects of the card. But what about the whole rest of the card, right? There's still all this white space that something can be drawn or written down or painted or colored. Okay. There is so much potential, right? But we tend to focus on the negatives in life, right? When there's so much good around us, there's all this white space that we can do some wonderful things with. But instead, we choose to say, hey, you know what? Look what's wrong with it. That's what we tend to do in our lives, right? We tend to just find something bad. Oh, I'm having a bad day because this happened, or this person said this, right? Or man, I got to get up for school. Man, this stinks. I'd rather be sleeping in or not going to school. I got to do my chores. I don't want to help my parents. My parents annoy me. They bother me. All right. But instead of focusing on those things, right? We have to try and think of them in a positive light. Okay, think, wow, what a privilege, what an opportunity is to be able to go to school, to get a free education. Okay, just even to have your parents, to have a mom, a dad, an aunt, an uncle, a grandma, a grandpa, any guardian who you get to live with. Okay, and they put food on the table. Right, all these things. There's a lot of people around the world that they don't know when their next meal's coming. All right, they don't know when they're working by your age, 12, 13, 14 years old. These kids are already working in tough places around the world, making no money, making hardly anything. Right, so think about, again, instead of focusing on the bad things that are negative, I want you to focus on the positive things. Okay, so I hope that you can read these quotes. Again, you can pause the screen, but I'm going to go over a couple that I want you to really think about. All right, promote what you love instead of bashing what you hate. Okay, so don't find something negative, okay, about others. Okay, man, did you see what he's wearing? Did you see what she's wearing? Okay, did you see this, that, whatever? Okay, instead, you know what? Just good talk, guys. Focus on the good, even in people as well. Okay. Next one, being positive does not mean ignoring the negative. Being positive means overcoming the negative. Because hey, folks, it's life. Life is going to have its ups, it's going to have its downs, and it's going to have a lot of downs. Right? But it's how you react to those is what makes you as a person. Okay, so everyone's going to have bad things happen to them, but you have to overcome it. You have to be stronger, rise above, and choose to be positive. I really love this one. We can complain because rose bushes have thorns, or we can rejoice because thorn bushes have roses. Okay, that's really deep because it's all in how you look at things. You could see, oh, hey, you know what? This beautiful flower, but has these stupid thorns. It's ugly. Or you can be like, you know what? Wow, that thorn bush, okay, man, it has roses. What a great thing. What an awesome flower. Okay, so it's all in how you think of things, right? So find the positive instead of always finding the negative. You might hear me saying this one a lot in class. Every day may not be good, but there's good in every day. Never forget that, folks. Everything. There's always something that you can be thankful for or happy for. You sometimes, some days it might be hard, but folks, even just to have breath in your lungs, even just to be able to walk. Okay, think of your health. You know how blessed we all are. There's a lot of people who, don't have their health. They don't have different things that you have. So be thankful. Don't take anything for granted in life. Life's too short. And never ruin a good day by thinking about a bad yesterday. Hey, every day is a new day, right? Every day is a new day. Don't be focused on the past, okay? Or man, yesterday this happened, and don't let it ruin today. Today's a fresh 24 hours. What are you going to do with it? So I pray that you would just continue to focus on the good in life because, guys, there is a lot. I promise. There's a lot of good things. You got to find them, though. Look for them. It's all in what you are looking for. Okay, so don't forget the card example. And that's it. So think about your life. Okay, maybe what things have you been maybe negative about? What could you maybe change your mindset and choose to think about the good? And let me give you a tip, a little hint here, folks. It's hard. Our bodies naturally, our minds naturally want to just think about the bad thing. We want to complain with each other. We want to just be upset about something. We want to, yeah, complain. Instead, look to praise, look to rejoice, look to be happy, okay? And focus on the good in every day, okay, guys? Hey, be blessed. Have a great day. Find the good. Peace.